Good morning. Next report from the garage about the Leoncino 125 mods and how it works. Previous video was about the changes under the engine, so now you can see how it works. It's especially live like that, like a dirty machine after the countryside roads. It wasn't heavy off-road, but you can see how it's going. And here is big change. You can see the mud on the radiator. It is radiator for cooling this bike, and you can find some dirt on the front. I've got some pictures, some photos about that. So now that pictures to show you how it works. So now you can see that horn was on the dust, water, sand line. Doesn't matter what street. Is it the city? Is it the soft road? So I've put them here just to the top and on the same holder, few millimeters behind the cover of the radiator cooler. Of course the pins, the connectors was on the wrong side. So you can lose this bolt. Lose this bolt here, this nut. You need flat screwdriver and 17 spanner. Little loose that nut and move it around that holder. So now I think it is better to be in the hot area than in the wet, sand and mud area. So blasting is unnecessary for this part. And here is small mud protection, water protection or sandblasting protection for cooler. Under it is like that. Can you see that? It is just the kind of plastic. I don't know the English name for that. It is kind of foam plastic used for many things. I can find the English name and put them on the screen like a subtitle. So now the bottom of the radiator should be protected against the sand, against the mud. Look here. It is that way when the water which is going from that front wheel can find the way. So the middle of the engine, that guard. So it is good solution, really good solution to protect the part of engine from the stones and unnecessary blasting. So good solution, very good solution. The same from the side. Look at that. It is the lowest part, only that holder is a little lower, but it is only little. So I think it is good solution. I'm sure it is good solution. It is that what was checked, and it works. About that radiator, if you've got any idea to touch that cover on the front, that screws here, and two of them they are under at the bottom. Now you can see this one. I've changed them to different one. I can show you how it look like. It is the factory OM stock original screw, not bolt, not M3, M2 or something like that. It is just a screw, and it is between that small tubes which are going from the top to the bottom of the radiator cooler. So I was very careful with that. I wasn't touched that on top, but on the bottom it was necessary to remove them and use that places like a holder for that mud protection or cooler protection. So be careful with that. Any change of the line angle could give you the leaking radiator cooling. It could leak. Not longer than this, because in this situation there is no chance to touch this by that front damper, or call like you want. So this size is quite nice. I've tried to put the picture of the of the project, because first, of course, it was carton piece of paper and prepare kind of nice shape, and black spray, painting spray, and it works. So now you can find how it looks like on the dirt road. And I've lost my registration plate holder. I am testing the solution, which is quite popular. Thank you one more time, thank you. See you in next movies, see you on the groups, on the Facebook, in other places. And enjoy your ride. Thumb up, enjoy your ride, bye bye.